The three birds. Three little bird brothers, one white, one purple, and one orange, lived on Bird Island. They were always together. One day it rained and the birds got very wet. They flew to a tree with purple and orange flowers and said, "Please, will you let us stay under your leaves till the rain stops?" The tree answered, "The purple and orange birds may stay dry under my leaves because they are like me. But the white one may not." Then the purple and orange birds said, "If our white brother cannot stay dry with us, we will remain outside in the rain with him." Next, they flew to ask a tree with white flowers. The tree said, "Only the white bird may come in." But the little white bird said, "If my brothers can't come in, I won't come either." The sun, who was behind the clouds, heard it all and felt bad for the birds. So he pushed his face through the clouds and chased away the rain. He shone hot and bright. As their wings slowly dried, the birds became happy and flew away and flew among the flowers again.